Susan, what is the rule of 11?
Well, Harv, the rule of 11 is actually a real rule. Many of the so-called rules in bridge are not really rules, but guidelines. But because it's based in mathematics, the rule of 11 is really a rule. This makes it an exception to a lot of these terms that are called rules. Now, the rule of 11 can be used by either the declarer or the partner of the opening leader. In order to use the rule of 11, the declarer and the player occupying the third seat subtracts the number of pips on the card led. And if you don't know what the pips are, that's just merely the number of suit symbols that are on the card. For instance, the 7 of clubs has 7 little club symbols on it. That means that the number of pips is 7. If your partner has used a fourth best lead, you subtract that 7 that's on the card from 11. That means that there are 4 cards higher than the 7 in the dummy, in the opening leader's partner's hand, and the declarer's hand. This can be really helpful to both the declarer and the other defender in trying to figure out how the suit is laid out around the table. For instance, if the remainder of his little problem tells him there are 4 left, as it would if there's the 7 led, and you can see all 4 cards that are higher than the card that was led between your hand and the dummy, you know that that third player doesn't have any card higher than the one that was led. So all you have to do sometimes is just cover whatever the dummy plays if you're sitting in the third seat. Or if you're the declarer and you know that your right-hand opponent has no card higher than the one led, you can play low off the dummy and win a really, really cheap trick on the opening lead. This is the way that you can increase your trick count, but take note, before you automatically win the trick as cheaply as possible, you need to consider whether you'll be blocking the suit or whether you will have problems later on if you don't win the trick in the dummy. There are more considerations than just taking a trick as quickly as possible or as cheaply as possible. So be sure to think about those things too. Now, if your partner leads third or fifth best leads, if that's what you and your partner use, then you have to use the rule of 10 and 12 rather than the rule of 11. The rule of 11 only works when the lead is a fourth best. Hi, this is Susan. Thanks for watching this video today. Most of these videos come from our free bridge lessons that we present on Zoom every Saturday morning at 9 a.m. Central Time. If you'd like to join us for those lessons, you can email us at the address shown below and we'll send you the link. If you can't attend the lessons, then feel free to subscribe to our channel and you'll be notified when there is a new one added. Again, thanks for stopping by and we hope to see you soon.